So I think one of the biggest things I hear is that everything is right there for you. So like, again, I think as, science being one component in a day for an elementary school, but you have the vocab that's right there. You print it out, you have, look, a bulletin board or, a science word wall. Um, the connections to literacy, I love that because as a teacher, this is another outlet and another way to teach some of those nonfiction text features and things like that. We're teaching kids to use resources, which I'm big on. We need to teach kids, right? All those different aspects of education and using resources. I think the other thing that I've heard a lot of people say is again focusing on that like multimodal, like how it's like, do, talk, read, write, visualize. Because I always say to the kids, I try to make things real. Like, okay, scientists over time have had to make observations and then record their information because how would we learn from previous, scientists? And that's part of what being a scientist is. And I think it's important for them to see that whole connection. So I love that within the Amplify program, I've heard a lot of the teachers just saying it's leading to that deeper conversation, deeper understanding. And again, as like also to get so much of that literacy in there is huge. It's just another way for them to be practicing those skills and again, learning how to use different resources